So we have tasks in our process, and we think, well, it has to be done by people because it has to be examined and processed by people. Quality control, quality assurance. The thing is, today, machines can see. Call it machine vision. And there's numerous sensors that can be added to this machine vision. And not only can machine vision see, but machine vision can see in different wavelengths. Machine vision can see so well that it can measure. We can look for dimensions. We can look for cracks and fractures. We can look for colors and textures. We can look for shapes. So with machine vision, we can incorporate automated QA into your process line. In which case, we can also take these tasks that require precision, require accuracy, require repeatability, and we can fully automate them with machine vision inspection. Your quality control goes up, your throughput goes up, your costs go down, and your waste goes down. Think about it. Dynamic machine design can help you find a solution.